Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Merveille. Honestly, I have been trying to lose weight so much this year and I've been finding it difficult for a reason. I don't know why. So I tried the Adele diet because we all know Adele blew the internet by storm. I tried to do her diet and see how it would work on me. So these are the before results and the after. Hold on, hold your horses. I'm not going to show you the after now. So Adele did the Sirtfood diet and I'm going to fill you in on what this means. So the Sirtfood diet is actually food high in certain activators. Oh, that's where it comes from. Certain activators, which are a type of protein which protects the cells in our bodies from dying or becoming inflamed through illness. Research has also shown that it can help regulate your metabolism, increase your muscle, and burn fat. So the first week, I limited my intake to 1,000 calories a day. I drank 3 Sirtfood green juices a day, and also I ate 1 Sirtfood meal a day. On the second week, I upped my intake to 1,500 calories per day. I only drank 2 green Sirtfood juices and I had 2 Sirtfood meals. So I will insert a picture here, right here, of the Sirtfood diet that I followed. One positive thing about this diet is that all of the food that you can eat on the plan is actually good for you. This means that your overall vitamins, your nutrients, your minerals will likely be high. Now, when I was doing this diet, I incorporated some form of exercise, maybe not like Adele, she did yogas and Pilates. Now that I'm doing yoga and I am so into it, maybe, just maybe, I could do this diet again. But nope, you guys will understand why. So one thing I did when I was doing this diet is I did a lot of jogging and cycling. I cycled a lot and jogged a little bit and also walked a lot. These are the only forms of exercises that I incorporated while doing the Sirtfood diet. So I made a list of all the food that I needed to get. I'll probably insert it somewhere here, and I went to the grocery store to get it. Buckwheat, I know a lot of people struggle with buckwheat. What is buckwheat? What is it even? Honestly, before starting this diet, I had already included buckwheat in my diet, but only the noodles, not the actual buckwheat seeds. And after going through this whole process, I learned a lot about other food. And luckily, I live in Asia. Buckwheat is very popular here. So, was this diet worth it? You will ask me, was it worth it? Did I lose weight? What did I gain out of it? Will I carry on doing this? Will I incorporate it in my lifestyle? Maybe, maybe not. Stay tuned to find out. Okay, you guys, so this is the night before, and as you can see, I have all my greens to make the most famous green Sirtfood juice, all clean and fresh. Now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce the Joker, my blender. My blender is literally so small that I want to even cry while editing this video. Because of this, I decided to chop all the green vegetables into tiny bits and pieces, and then I started to blend it section by section. You may ask yourself, why didn't I just make a smoothie? Because it would have been so much easier. But honestly, I just wanted to do what Adele did, okay? I'm not out here doing something else because, girl, I need to lose the weight. I then went ahead and used a strainer each time in order to separate the pulp from the juices. And you guys, this took hours. It took forever, and I started regretting making the juice instead of the smoothie, but it is what it is. I had already started, and y'all, this green smoothie is so green. It looks like chlorophyll. It is so green that I even trusted that, you know what, this smoothie might work. You know, the way it was so green, I'm like, nope, this is gonna work. I'm gonna lose the weight. But let's see how it goes. Okay, y'all, so this is the next day, early in the morning, officially day 1, and I managed to make 2 of these big jars, which lasted me for 3.5 days if I'm not mistaken. So I decided to add the matcha powder only on the days that I would drink the juice, or whenever I wanted to drink the juice, I would add the matcha powder to my drink directly and not to the jar that has the big drink. Hey you guys, so today is day 1, premier jour of the Sirtfood diet plan. And y'all, early this morning I didn't have time to record my first reaction because right now it is 12:30, so it's lunchtime, and I'm supposed to have used the Sirtfood juice as well as 2 Sirtfood bites, but I didn't make that because I'm still waiting for my dates. That can be substituted with 30 grams of chocolate. First, let's have this and see how it tastes. It doesn't taste bad, it really doesn't. It's a bit sourish because of the lemon, and I can't taste anything else. I mean, it's okay, I like it. It's okay, y'all. I must say I'm hungry. Around this time I'd usually have something for lunch, something small or something sugarish, and now I have like a headache. I know I'm lacking glucose and I'm not that very hungry, but then my mind, I feel like eating, you know. I just have that feeling that I need to eat. One glass done, finished. Because I don't have the Sirtfood bites yet, I can substitute it with dark chocolate. With me here I have 85% dark chocolate. But here's a little update. After I had that Sirtfood drink during lunch, I went to the bathroom and y'all, a little TMI here, I pooped a lot. I pooped, very watery poop, but I felt so much better after that and I didn't feel dizzy anymore. Okay, it is dinner time, and today for dinner we are having Asian King shrimp stir-fried with buckwheat noodles. Honestly, I am so glad it was something that was seafoodish because I'm pescatarian. If it was meat, I would have really struggled, and I honestly had a lot of fun cooking this meal. Good. Dinner was so delicious. It was so filling and also satisfying. It is day 2, breakfast time. I had my Sirtfood drink, and lunch I had the drink again as well as the chocolate. Now let's jump on to dinner. For dinner we're supposed to have turkey escalope. I think that's how you pronounce it. But you guys know I don't eat meat, so I substituted that with fish. And we will have cauliflower rice with it. Now for the little sauce or gravy for the fish, I just squeezed in lime, added some parsley and some spices, and then just like sort of mix it together and then poured it on my fish. Honestly, dinner was satisfying. It wasn't so filling, but I ate really late, around 9 p.m. So because of that, I cheated. I slept late, which caused me to cheat. So yeah, that night, late at night, I had a cookie. 2 cookies, sorry. Okay, day 3. So on day 3 I had a really busy day that honestly
I couldn't document me cooking or every meal that I had, but I never forgot to drink my Sirtfood green juice. So on day 3, my dates finally arrived, so this meant that I had time to make the Sirtfood bites. I use walnuts, dates, dark chocolate, turmeric, as well as olive oil. Like I said, everything will be in the description box down below. But what I did was I just grind it together, mix it all together, and then made it in these tiny little beads bowls. Yeah, you just watch and see. Yeah, it is day 4. Day 4 means that from this day onwards, I can have 2 Sirtfood meals. For lunch, I'm supposed to have Sirtfood muesli or Sirt muesli. So I prepare this in the morning because I usually have lunch at my workplace, and I transferred my muesli in my coconut bowl, and guess what? I left it at home. Yeah, I left it at home, so this means that I didn't have time to eat it at work. I came back from work during lunchtime to basically eat my lunch. So yeah, this muesli, you guys, oh my gosh, I made this for the first time trying this diet, and I have not stopped ever since. This is one of the few things that I have personally incorporated in my diet from this whole thing.
All the yogurts just got what, soaked in the oats. Let's see how this tastes like. Wow, the strawberry tastes good. Wow. Oh my gosh, like every single food in this diet plan tastes so delicious. I'm not even mad, like not at all. This tastes so good. Hey guys, so yesterday I made the Sirtfood bites. I refrigerated it, so now I want to taste how it tastes like. I'm gonna get it from the fridge. So I'm only supposed to have 2 every day. It's lunchtime now. Well, lunchtime is almost over, so before I head back to work, I'm just gonna taste one. Oh wow, it was soft yesterday, now it's a bit hard. Okay. Wow, look at that, y'all. Footage, but oh, there we go. Can you guys see that? There's walnuts, and it's like filled with chocolate. It's so chocolatey and sweet at the same time. And you guys, I have a sweet tooth, so I'm glad that this kind of like replaced the daily sweets that I have, or the daily sugars that I have. Oh my gosh, this tastes so good. It tastes so good.
Okay, you guys, so for dinner we're supposed to have pan-fried salmon salad. So I'm making my own salad dressing by using cilantro, lime, and a little bit of pinch of salt just to taste. And I couldn't find salmon at the grocery store, so I just substituted that with tuna. I guess it's the same thing, I don't know. And you guys, this salad tasted so good. It was so filling as well. I wasn't mad, I really liked it. One thing I like about this diet is that they don't really deprive you from food. The quantity that you're supposed to have is actually a lot.
Hey guys, it is day 5, and today's salad consists of diced onions, strawberries, parsley, dates right there, and then I have my buckwheat here, I have my avocados here, and my cherry tomatoes. I'm so excited for this one. Hey you guys, so I'm about to have my lunch and it is a salad. I don't even know what to call this salad. This is my first time ever having a salad with strawberries, you know, something that is like sweetish with the date as well, makes it sweet. By the way, I must say yesterday's salad, oh my word, last night it was just like wow, it was so delicious. I really loved it. So let's taste this, y'all. This is a mouthful. Wow. And I can't even get everything with my fork. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Buckwheat has definitely given me more reason to go gluten-free.
Okay, it is dinner time. So for dinner, we're supposed to have miso marinated cod with buckwheat grains. And honestly, I did not feel like eating dinner at all. I was still very full from the lunch that I had, which was a huge plate of salad, as you guys saw earlier on. But I still managed to eat a little portion around like 7:30, just so that it would prevent me from eating late at night or biting on something that I would regret later. But this meal for me, it wasn't really the best, but yeah, I still enjoyed it. So day 6 for lunch, I had last night's dinner, day 5's dinner, and for dinner, instead of having char grilled beef, I substituted the beef for fish. So yeah, this is what I had, and honestly at this point I was tired of cooking, y'all. I was done. Came day 7, 2 meals. Lunch, I had a Sirt omelette, which tasted good. I'm not a fan of eggs. And for dinner, I had just fish alone. Okay, now the moment that everyone has been waiting for. The weight loss. Look, how many kgs did I lose, you guys? Dun, 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 dun. Let's check that again. 2 kgs. 2 kgs in 1 week. I'm not mad. Honestly, I'm not mad. I really am not.
So yeah, this was it regarding my Sirtfood diet journey. Will I be carrying on with this diet? Will I incorporate this in my lifestyle? I don't think so. With the type of lifestyle that I have, cooking every day is not for me. Even if I had the time, I don't think I would cook every day just so that I eat fresh food. It's a no-no for me. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. So this month, I am going to be going through a journey where I'm going to try to lose weight in different ways. And I'd love you guys to follow me on that, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram if you don't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!